everybody, it's Terrence and I am back with another video. But before we begin, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon just so that you can stay updated with any content that I put out. I put out videos every single Saturday. You guys see like the stuff in the background because I actually like have furniture. It's cool. I'm gonna do a room tour at some point. But that's not the point of today's video. So for those of you that have been around for a while, you know that I love, oh my God, are you dying again? So for those of you that have been around for a while, you know that I love subscription boxes. I love signing up for stuff and getting random stuff every month. And I'm going to be unboxing my newest subscription box with you guys today. And also anybody that knows me knows that I love to smell good. Like I love smelling good. So that led me to look up some cologne type subscription boxes. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. The two that I came up with that were the most popular were Scentbird and Scentbox. And today I'm going to be unboxing my subscription box for Scentbox. Look at this wrapping, it's so shiny and nice. So for those of you that are not familiar with what Scentbox or Scentbird are, they're cologne-based subscription boxes. They send you a new scent each month and then you keep it and it's good, or you can exchange it if you're not really fond of it and that type of thing. I know for Scentbox specifically, it is $14.95 a month for the standard subscription, and then there's a premium subscription that is $18.95 a month. There is, however, I did notice, and this is not sponsored by anybody, I'm just giving you guys this information just because I feel like everybody should smell good. There is a 35% off sale going on, so the $14.95 subscription is like $9. Okay, $9 for your first month, $9 so you don't have to like spend a bajillion dollars on cologne that you might not like, and then you have this full-size bottle and you have to use the whole bottle, or you store it somewhere and that's just a huge waste of money. That's why I signed up for this, because I like to have different scents, and $20 a month for a new bottle of cologne, I feel like that's really nothing, especially because the colognes that they send you are very high-end colognes. There are over 850 brands and 270, I want to say, premium brands, which I've signed up for. I cannot wait to try them all. I'm gonna unbox them all with you guys and it's gonna be a good time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing my very first Scentbox box. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box. As I said, it's completely unopened. I'm not gonna show you guys my address or anything like that, but it's completely unopened, so let's do that. Packaging is so hard. Open! And also with your first month subscription, you get a like a fragrance holding box. I think that's what it said, or something like that. And I'm assuming that this is said box. I love this. There's something else in this package. So this has like a scent of the month. And the thing that I really like about Scentbox that I saw is that it's for men and women. So you can kind of, you know, if you like women scents or you like men scents, you can kind of mix it up, put it in there, do it all things. I really like this though. Is this scratch and sniff? That's not scratch and sniff at all. What's this? Is this just my, oh, that's just my address information. I'm actually super excited to open this. I'm really excited. So is this how you, oh, okay, you lift it this way, you lift it this way. It looks like, oh wow, things are falling out. Okay, it comes with this little tube. This tube is the tube that you are going to be keeping. The cologne goes inside here. Each month they're going to be sending you different colognes, and then you just slide the cologne in this little tube, and you can like put it everywhere, and it's so cute. But also, ooh, this is a coupon. I'm not gonna show you the code because y'all might use it. This is nice. Thank you, Scentbox. I'm definitely going to be linking them down below for those of you that want to sign up for any of this stuff. I definitely encourage it. I encourage everybody to smell good all the time. But anyway, let's get into this scent. Let's see what it is. I love this box so much. It's so cute. I'm gonna keep this box forever. All right, so do you, oh, you just twist it and it just comes up. That's so cool. Wait, how do you, I wanna open it. No, I wanna, oh, okay. Do you just, no, I wanna, oh, okay. So it definitely took me a minute to figure out where the name of the scent was. That's so cute. This thing is so adorable. I love this. It has like the little Scentbox logo right there, and then you just twist and you can spray it and then twist and you can put it away. It's so convenient. I love the size of this. Like you can literally just put this in your bag, and if you are finding out you're going out on a movie date, oh, let me take this out of my bag, spray or spray or do whatever, and you are good to go. All right, wait, can you guys see that? It's not focusing. It's probably not gonna focus. Anyway, it's 1 million prive. I don't know. This is the color. It's this really, really like goldeny, pretty color. I love it. So let's spray it and we'll see. So I don't know how to spray. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me. All right. So. Oh my. Ah. It smells so good. Okay. Let me. I love this already. Okay. All right. So I was tired of feeling kind of dumb. It's 1 million privé because that's how you pronounce things, and I don't know how to pronounce anything ever. Anyway, this 1 million privé smells so good. It's very date night. You would definitely. I mean, I would probably wear this during the day just so people would like flock to me. Jeez. Okay. It smells so good. It's like, I don't know. Really, the only word that I can use that would describe this is romantic. It's nice. It's sultry. It's kind of like, it's like date night. It's like you're with bae, you're taking bae on date night, and it's gonna be really nice. This is definitely a scent that you would dress up. You would not just kind of wear this daily. I don't think I would wear this scent daily, honestly, because it's very, again, date night, very sultry, very intoxicating. It's so good. Like, I love the way that I smell right now. It's so good. All right, so like I said, this is my very first Scentbox unboxing with you guys. If you liked it, let me know down below. Let me know if you have subscribed to Scentbox yourself. As of now, I love it. Like, I'm gonna keep this thing on me at all times. Movie date? What? Okay. I'm very, very excited about this first scent that I got from Scentbox. It smells amazing, like completely 100% amazing. I'm really excited to continue with my subscription with them. As I said, this video is not sponsored at all. I just like subscription stuff, and I just really wanted to try out Scentbox. I think that's about it. Again, if you want to experience it for yourself, there is a 35% off your first month. You just go sign up for everything, and then it will automatically apply and you'll be good to go. I do highly, highly, highly recommend Scentbox for anybody that's struggling with buying different scents, or you're just tired of buying cheap scents, to be honest. And I think that is about it. If you have not already, go ahead and follow me on my social media. My Snapchat and my Instagram are both HelloooTerance with 3 O's and 1 R. And with that, remember to stay hydrated, kids, because it's good for your skin. Catch you in the next one.